In order to secure a work permit for an expat executive in South Africa, the considerations are the role in which the expat will be coming into.
It needs to be shown that the bringing in of this expat is necessary because you do not have a person of similar qualities available in Kenya to carry out the same job.
Well, the other point, of course, would be at the time of applying for the work permit, it is obligatory for the employer to submit a succession plan.
So it's an unwritten rule, but the preference is that as far as possible, you Ugandanize the labor market.
Kenyanization is a policy adopted by the Kenyan government that considers that employment should be offered to Kenyans first before it can be offered to other people.
In the duration of the work permit, which is basically 2 years to start with, you have put in place a program for training so that at the end of the 2 years, that post is taken over by a Tanzanian national.
In Kenya, it's a condition usually at the time of giving a work permit to an expat that a Kenyan be trained for that job, to take up that job in the next years. Could happen over 2 years, could happen over 4 years or a longer period, but it is a mandatory requirement that a Kenyan be trained.
So whereas it is easy, relatively easy to have a work permit for a foreigner in the first instance, when it comes to renewal of the work permit, the conditions are then more stringent.
To that extent, therefore, it's advisable that a person would have a Ugandan understudy so that if that situation ever arose, they would be able to have continuity.